Hey everyone, welcome to my new video. In this video, I'm gonna show to make this bee animation with After Effects. Let's get started. So vectors from freepik.com, I will add download link and project files. Let's select these foot layers and go to solo. Then zoom to layers and select this layer, go to select pan behind, move the anchor point here and select this layer, move the anchor point here and this layer, move to here and this layer, also this layer and finally this layer. Then click selection tool and let's select this again foot layers, link to body. Let's unsolo these foot layers and select body. Let's see. Okay, and select this wing right and wing left. Link to also body. Select wing right, go to solo. Select pan behind. Move the anchor point here. Click selection tool and select wing left, go to solo. Select pan behind again. Move the anchor point here. And click selection tool and unsolo all layers. So select this eye white and eye black. Let's link to body. Select this eye white. Let's control D for duplicate and select eye white 2, link to eye white layer. And select this eye black and move to inside this eye white 2 layers. Then click toggle switch modes and change none to alpha matte eye white 2. Let's see. Okay, nice. So select this line left and line right, link to body, and select this line left yellow, link to line left, select line right yellow, link to line right, and select these 2 layers. Let's change color pink. Okay, and select this line right, select pan behind again, move the anchor point here and click selection tool, select line left, select pan behind, move the anchor point here and click selection tool. Okay, select these modes and link to body again. So select body, this is our main layer, and let's press P, make new patching keyframe, then go to 10 keyframe. For shortcut you can use hold shift press page down in the keyboard, and let's move to right, go to 10 keyframe again, move to left. These random keyframes, you can make your keyframes auto like you, and let's see. Okay, select keyframes, let's make easies. Let's again. Nice. And go to 10 keyframe again. Let's move to down. Again go to 10 keyframe, move to up and make someone like this. Also we can select all keyframes, Ctrl C and Ctrl V for loop animation. And let's see. Okay, nice. So in this time, let's select this foot 1 and press R and hold Alt, click this time icon for open expression. And let's write here or wiggle expression. Let's write wiggle 1 and 9. Let's click this empty title for done expression and let's see. Okay, this is very slow animation. Let's go to solo. Okay, let's try change this 3. Let's see. Okay, not bad. Let's try change 6. Okay, not bad. So let's edit this wiggle expression and select Ctrl C for copy and select other foot layers, press R and make someone. Hold Alt, click this time icon and Ctrl V, click this empty area. Again, hold Alt, click rotation icon, Control V, and make someone again for other layers. Okay, let's see. Okay, that's funny. Yes, so let's close keyframe settings here. And select this wing left and wing right. Press R, go to first second. And let's make rotation keyframes. Okay, and let's change rotation like this. Go to 3 keyframe, 1 to 3. Change like this. Again, go to 3 keyframe, 1 to 3. Select first keyframes, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Let's press N for C animation. Okay, select keyframes, make easies, and select work area full composition time duration. And so in this time, let's again use expression. Hold Alt and click time icon. Go to play button, property, and loop out duration. For done expression, again click here, and again hold Alt, click time icon. Go to play button, property, and loop out duration. Let's see. Okay, nice. But I want to fast wing animation. Select these keyframes, hold Alt, and move to left. Okay, not bad. So let's close wing layers and select this two wing. Let's click toggle switch mode and click this icon for motion blur. Let's see. Okay, look here. This is motion blur, and let's send it again. So in this time, let's select this eye white, press S, click this icon, and go to here, make scale keyframe, go to 3 keyframe, 1 to 3, change scale 5, go to 3 keyframe again, 1 to 3, change 100. Select keyframes, make easies, let's see. Okay, nice. So select the 3 keyframes, Ctrl C, and let's make Ctrl V for random eyes animation. Nice. And select this eye black, go to here, press P, make new passing keyframe, and go to 2 keyframe, 1, 2. Let's move to right, and select these 2 keyframes, move to here, let's see. Okay, nice. And go to here, make new passing keyframe, go to 2 keyframe, 1, 2, and let's move to up. Select these 2 keyframes, move to here, let's say again. Okay, not bad. And in this time, make new passing keyframe again, go to 2 keyframe, let's move to here like this, and select keyframes, move to right, and go to here, make new passing keyframe again, go to 2 keyframe, move to left or move to down, select these 2 keyframes, move to right, let's see. Okay, not bad. Select these keyframes, make easies, and select these keyframes. Let's Ctrl C, go to here, and Ctrl V. Okay, and select this keyframe, move to right here, and this move to right, and this. Okay, not bad. So select this line left and press R, hold Alt, click this time icon. Let's write here wiggle and 2, 9. Click here for done expression. Let's see. Okay, let's change again this 15. Okay, let's try change this 5. Okay, not bad. So let's select this wiggle expression, Ctrl C, and select this line right, press R, go to first second, hold Alt, click this time icon, Ctrl V. Okay, very nice. So select all layers and click this icon for motion blur. Okay, not bad. So thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.